Imagine you've just sold your old gaming console. You're excited to cash in on that extra cash. But how long will it take for the money to hit your bank account? Today, we're diving into the world of Vivid and answering the burning question, how long does it take to withdraw your hard-earned cash? Vivid is a popular online platform that offers a variety of financial services. But when it comes to withdrawing money, speed is often a top priority. Let's break down the withdrawal process. When you request a withdrawal from Vivid, they typically process it within a certain time frame. However, the exact time can vary depending on a few factors. Factors affecting withdrawal time. Withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can significantly impact the speed. Some methods, like bank transfers, may take longer than others, such as e-wallets. Asterisk bank processing time. Once Vivid has processed your withdrawal, it's up to your bank to complete the transaction. Your bank's processing speed can vary. Asterisk Vivid system status. Occasionally, technical issues or system maintenance can affect withdrawal times. Average withdrawal times. While it's difficult to provide an exact time frame, here's a general breakdown of average withdrawal times based on common methods. Asterisk bank transfers. Typically, bank transfers can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. Asterisk e-wallets. Withdrawals to e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill are often processed more quickly, usually within a few hours or days. Asterisk debit cards. Instant withdrawals to debit cards are available in some cases, but may incur additional fees. Tips for faster withdrawals. Here are a few tips to help you expedite your withdrawals. Asterisk verify your account. Ensure that your account is fully verified to avoid delays. Asterisk double-check details. Carefully review your withdrawal information to prevent errors. Asterisk choose a fast withdrawal method. Opt for methods known for quicker processing times. Asterisk contact support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid's customer support. So, how long will it take for your Vivid withdrawal to arrive? While the exact time can vary, understanding the factors involved and following these tips can help you get your money faster. Remember, patience is key, especially when dealing with financial transactions. Have you ever experienced delays with Vivid withdrawals? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more about Vivid or other financial platforms, subscribe to our channel for future updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.